So today is the admitted student open house. So any of the admitted students that are coming this fall are able to come on campus. They're able to talk to housing, talk to their college, get some more information about any of the majors within there. They also can talk to financial aid to get any of the information figured out for them. This is important for students to attend because it is good to get all this information to feel more comfortable to come to this fall and feel like you are ready to come to Ferris because it is very exciting.